Come test drive the 2018 Clarity. The future is now with the Honda Clarity sedan. Not only does it refuel much more quickly than an electric vehicle can recharge, but it provides more fuel range as well and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.